Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mel.Holistic. I am Mel, short form for Melissa. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways how I get into a headstand. Of course, there are many ways that you and myself can get into a headstand, but let's just start off with the first 4, which is rather easy to do, not that challenging, only with practice. So of course, I have made a lot of practice and a lot of training in order to be able to get into a headstand. So along the way, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide how you can do the same as well. And over time with practice, you can do it too. And do check out the description in the YouTube video for the links to the step-by-step guide that I'll be posting in future. So with this, let's get started. If you liked what you have seen, give me a thumbs up like. Write in the comments or what are the videos you would like me to do for you, what you like, what are the questions you may have. And remember to subscribe and hit on the bell button so that you'll be notified of more updates and more videos as I post them along in my channel for you.